How to set nickname in Instagram chat. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To set nickname in Instagram chat, tap open your Instagram application in your device. Now over here, ensure to log in into your Instagram account if you have not yet. Once you have successfully logged in, click on the DM section that is in your top right corner. Now navigate to the user in which you wish to add a nickname. Then click on the username of the person. Once you are in here you will see the nickname option, tap on it. Then you can just click on the person and you can set the nickname. For an example, you can just set your nickname as whatever you wish to. Then you can also add emojis and click on done. If you don't have the nickname feature, this means that your Instagram application needs an update. In order to do so, you can tap open your Play Store. Then tap on the search icon to search for Instagram. Now once you are in here, if you see any of the available update, just leave your application for an update. If not, the final resort is to uninstall and reinstall the application. That's it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.